Unraveling the Phrase, Grass On, a guide to English slang. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a quirky phrase from the English language, grass on. This might sound like gardening advice, but in the world of slang, it's something completely different. Stay tuned as we explore the meaning and use of this phrase. Grass on is a British slang term that's synonymous with tattling or snitching. When someone grasses on another person, they're informing authorities about someone's wrongdoings. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a negative connotation. The term grass, as a slang for an informant, is believed to have its roots in the rhyming slang. Grasshopper rhymes with copper, which is another slang term for a police officer. Over time, grasshopper was shortened to grass, and thus, grass on came to be. Using grass on is straightforward once you understand its meaning. For instance, don't grass on your mates, or he decided to grass on the culprits to the teacher. Remember, it's typically used in informal situations. While grass on might seem like a fun phrase to use, it's crucial to understand the cultural context. In some circles, being a grass can be seen as a serious betrayal. Always consider the setting and the company you're in before using such slang. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, grass on. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting piece of English slang. Keep practicing, and you'll be adding color to your conversations with phrases like these in no time.